Bounce!
We have been invited for a sneak peek of the newest Bounce branch in Forsan Central Mall, Khalifa City. So come with us as we explore Bounce's newest branch. The kids are so excited. This is their second time in Bounce as we have been to Marina Mall branch. When you enter, you will be asked to register your details. You will also need socks with grip as they are compulsory to avoid slipping. What's great with Bounce is it is good for anyone, from young children to grandparents. Anyone can do it. They also have a Bounce Cafe which will serve food and drinks for all its guests. This branch in Forsan Central Mall is one of the biggest that they have. This branch also includes a mini Bounce as well for younger kids. They also have Bounce merchandise available, which you can buy. Sizes range from kids to adults. Bounce has open cube lockers available as well as paid secure lockers. They also have party rooms to celebrate your birthdays or any other occasion. What's great about this branch is they have a very large sitting area. These also include party bays. There are different fun activities at Bounce, including dodgeball. The staff are really nice and they happily played with my kids. They also showed us some Bounce moves. Bounce also includes a performance stage. In this new branch, they will also have X-Run. In X-Run, you can have a head-to-head adventure challenge with your friend. The kids really enjoy this giant slide. Not only the kids, even hubby enjoyed it as well. This is their very large free jump arena. I can really say Bounce is not only for kids because adults alike will also enjoy. It's a great family bonding as well as if you want to bond with your friends. Kids will always remember the amount of time you spend with them. They also have a slam dunk area with full-height basketball rings. Hubby and kids both enjoy this area. So if you want to have great fun with family and friends, definitely visit Bounce. Their newest branch in Khalifa City will open soon in Forsan Central Mall, 2nd floor. A special thanks to all the staff who gladly played with my kids and teach them the Bounce moves. They definitely cannot wait to come back.